In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 best drones on AliExpress that are perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots and delivering top-notch performance. These drones were handpicked for their exceptional quality, affordability, durability, and user satisfaction. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the ideal drone for your needs here. For exclusive deals and more details about these products, check the description section below. Don't miss out on these incredible finds, they're selling fast. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more amazing product recommendations. Now, let's explore your next favorite drone. Number 1. E99 K3 Pro Drone. Experience stunning aerial photography with the E99 K3 Pro Drone HD Professional 4K. Equipped with dual cameras, this drone captures crystal clear 4K photos and videos, ensuring every moment is preserved in high definition. Its Wi-Fi FPV technology allows real-time video transmission directly to your device, enhancing your flying experience. The obstacle avoidance feature ensures smooth navigation, making it beginner-friendly and safe for outdoor adventures. With its lightweight quadcopter design, it's highly portable yet durable, perfect for on-the-go creators. Enjoy extended flights and seamless control, ideal for capturing landscapes, family events, or creative projects. Elevate your photography game with the E99 K3 Pro Drone, an affordable, high-performance choice for hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. S2S Outdoor Drone. Introducing the S2S Outdoor Drone, a cutting-edge quadcopter for fun and professional use. Equipped with an 8K HD dual camera, it delivers breathtakingly sharp aerial photos and videos. The brushless motor ensures powerful performance, quieter operation, and enhanced durability. With intelligent obstacle avoidance, the drone navigates safely even in complex environments, making it perfect for beginners and experts. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, and ideal for outdoor adventures or travel. The drone features RC helicopter controls, ensuring precise maneuvering, while the long-lasting battery offers extended flight time. Whether capturing stunning landscapes or enjoying a smooth flying experience, the S2S Outdoor Drone is an unbeatable choice. Perfect for Xiaomi enthusiasts and beyond. Number 3. New V168 Drone. Discover the new V168 Drone, a cutting-edge quadcopter designed for professionals and enthusiasts. Featuring 3 high-definition 8K cameras with a wide-angle optical lens, it ensures stunningly detailed photos and videos from every angle. Equipped with GPS localization, it offers precise navigation and returns home automatically for added safety. The 4-way obstacle avoidance system ensures smooth and secure flights, even in challenging environments. Its advanced technology guarantees stable, clear footage and effortless control, making it perfect for aerial photography or exploration. Designed for versatility, this drone delivers professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Lightweight and durable, it's ideal for outdoor adventures. Elevate your drone experience with the V168 Drone, the ultimate tool for creativity and exploration. Number 4. 2024 new Toy KY102 Drone. Experience the thrill of aerial photography with the 2024 new Toy KY102 Drone, a professional-grade device packed with features. Equipped with an 8K HD dual camera, it captures breathtakingly clear photos and videos from the skies. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system ensures safe navigation, even in complex environments, making it ideal for beginners and experts. The optical flow positioning provides stable hovering, enabling smooth footage and precision control. With its 4-axis design, this RC aircraft delivers excellent stability and agility. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or practicing your piloting skills, the KY102 combines performance and innovation. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for on-the-go adventures. Upgrade your aerial experience today with this advanced and affordable drone. Number 5. For Xiaomi V168 Drone. Introducing the Xiaomi V168 Drone, a game-changer in aerial photography. This 8K HD dual-camera drone offers stunning image clarity, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking views. Equipped with 5G GPS technology, it ensures stable, real-time transmission and precise positioning for smooth flight control. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, allowing for safe navigation even in challenging environments. With intelligent modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Orbit, this drone is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The long-lasting battery ensures extended flight times, while its foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry. Elevate your creativity with the Xiaomi V168 Drone, your ultimate aerial photography companion. Check it out now on AliExpress and take your photography to new heights. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.